When I try in with demo account, I have earnings, and when I trade in with a live account, I'm losing money. Why is this? Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today, on this video, I will continue with this series of videos with binary options for beginners. I'm gonna share a few tips that I learned when I trade in these more 6 years, and I'm gonna always have live trading session sharing with you my experience and my advice on how to trade with this strategy. Let's rock with this video. Okay, if you see my last video, you know where I leave my account. So today I will continue with this trading session, and I'm gonna share with you my tips, my experience about binary options. A good comment that I received is, when I try in with demo account, I have earnings, and when I trade in with a live account, I'm losing money. Why is this? Well, just like I mentioned in another video, it doesn't matter if you have a trade with $100. The broker managed thousands of dollars per hour, per minute, per day, maybe millions. And if you think the broker is scam you because in one trade you lose $10 or $5, maybe you're doing something wrong. It's not making any sense for me. Obviously, in that trade, maybe you can enter, I don't know, 1,000 persons with different $10 or $15 each one. Maybe all of them lost, but maybe another 3,000 people earning that money. Exist scam brokers. That is totally true. That this is the dark of market we work in. Sometimes exists that type of workers too, but I believe if you're taking your time or taking binary options or trading with forex seriously, you're gonna try to avoid that beginner's mistake. Maybe everybody, because that happened to me too, made a mistake to invest my money with a scam broker. So in my experience, before to invest your money, try to investigate more about this broker if it is a regulated broker. But here we take it a good point for binary options. So, but we had a problem here. Not all the brokers are regulated, and this is something we need to know. With binary option, it's complicated to find a good broker regulated. So I using this broker or the same brokers for a long time ago. The IQ option I using for a long time ago, and it was a good one, but I don't use it anymore. I have a scam issue with them and with the Skrill too. So for that reason, I decided never trade again with IQ option. The platform are good for beginners, simple to use it, simple to put your alarms, and I still using IQ option just in demo account to see my support and resistance, because have a good alert to notify me where or when I need to take it. But for now, I just trading with Pocket Option and with Quotex, these two brokers, and for two reasons. I using this broker for Pocket Option for more than 6 years, and I trust in this broker, and Quotex because have access here in my country. And for that reason, I using these two brokers. I have access here in my country and using, for example, this one for a long time ago. Your question, why I lose money when I trade with real money and I earn money when I trade with demo account. I think our emotions play a role here, an important role here inside of trading. How we look in the market and how we take in our decisions with this. Obviously, you can have two trades around out the money, and And that moment is when we decided how much money I'm gonna lose, or I can expect to lose today with binary options. If you trade with $100, or if you deposit or have in your balance $100, and you don't have that expectation how much money I can lose today with these trades with binary options, or how much money I can earn with binary options, and you only trade just like a robot, trading, it doesn't matter if you lose or earn money, you're doing something so wrong here. Okay, before to start your plan or trading plan, you need to know how much money you can lose today. So this is so important. We need to have a plan. With that plan, I have the control with my emotions, and I respect my rules. What rules are that? I don't know. You can have your own rules. A good rule can be you can expect to lose the 5% or maybe the 10% per day with your trades, or you can earn, and the winning rules can be the 10 or 15% or maybe 25% per day with binary options. Not only with binary options, can be crypto, can be forex, can be stock market, whatever. You can trade with the market you prefer and earn a few dollars with this type of markets. How to analyze the market? I'm teaching you here a few strategies. If you don't know what I'm doing right now with this strategy, I recorded a video before when I'm teaching you this strategy, but I'm gonna explain in a few minutes. Let's go to see how ending this trade, and I'm gonna explain how to configure the settings and why I taken the signals that I taken right now. It's gonna close in a few seconds, and I hope so stay in the money and was in the money. So I'm teaching you a few strategies here on my channel. I'm teaching you a few tips here, and I think are a good one because I read good comments when people are making real money with this market. So what strategy I need to have right now? So I give you a few tips with binary options and how to trade with binary options and how to make money with this market. So I'm using 3 moving average. This is a good strategy, trust me. With this strategy, we are gonna use in 3 moving average. This is my strategy, one that I use, and I have another videos with Christian strategy, the 1 minute 2. That strategy is really good. I earning a few dollars with that strategy, and I'll like it. I recommend you to see it and trade with it. So I'm using this turbo strategy for binary options using 3 moving average, right? 3 moving average, 1 period 60, okay, 1 period 60, 1 period 8, and 1 period 200. I like a trade with moving average. If you don't know how to read the structure of the market, I think using indicators and using moving average, you can have a better idea how the market moves. Okay, I have this one out the money. I have one out the money into in the money, but it's okay. I'm gonna stop my trading day today. I start with $1,800. I have $2,169. So it's a good number. It's a good number. I'm gonna stop it right now. So this simple move that I did today is stop it when I have earnings. It's a good move you need to do too. And I understand sometimes we're doing the things wrong, and just like in this case, I see we have the same pattern, and I decided taking the signal for a call, but the pattern repeats a lot of times here, crossing, and even I think crossed it with this one, and maybe I have out the money. This one, the same case here, crossing and out the money, the same case here and out the money maybe, and I take it here was right. I decided to take it here for a call and happen the same pattern. Why is that? Well, just like I say before, I'm gonna use in 3 moving average. 1 period 200. The period 200 is this one here, color green. But this moving average is telling me what type of trend we have. If the moving average is above of the rest of the charts and the yellow moving average, we have a downtrend, right? So I need to only take the signals for a put. Only take the signals for a put. Don't take the signals for a call. Simple like that, okay? And how to know what direction we are gonna take it, okay? Or when. We are gonna trade when the moving average period 8 color, is this one here, period 8 color yellow, okay? Exponential moving average. Cross it with the exponential moving average color white going down, and the moving average period 200 is above. We are going to trade for a put, and we can have a good results or better results in our trades. And contrary of this, we are going to trade for a call when the moving average 200 is below and the yellow moving average crossing the white moving average but going up. In that moment, we trade for 1 minute for a call. It happened again here. Cross it, and right now it's going down. So maybe if I take it for a call again, I can lose another $500. I'm gonna stop it right now. I think we have a good earnings for 1 day or for a few minutes of trading, and we have a good results. So what brokers you can use in? I share with you all the time regulated brokers below on my videos. Is binary.com. And exists and this another brokers for binary options. Binary.com is not all the way here in my country, so for that reason I don't use it. I use in Pocket Option, so you can use it if you have access to binary.com. So I hope this video can help you. Another short lesson how to trade with this strategy. On my next video, I'm gonna teach you with another strategy, always with binary options, and I hope so we can make money together. See you in the next week.